In 2026, car accessories have revolutionized driving, making safety and convenience more accessible than ever. From advanced dash cams that predict hazards to fingerprint starters that enhance security, there's something for every driver. Now, let's dive into some standout gadgets. First, the AI-integrated dash cam, which acts like a co-pilot. It doesn't merely record your journeys. With its cutting-edge 4K neural processing capabilities, it analyzes the environment to alert drivers of potential dangers before they occur. This feature reassures those who navigate busy roadways daily. Next up is the smart TPMS valve caps, innovative devices that sync with your smartphone, ensuring that both tire temperature and pressure are monitored continuously, thus allowing for preventive measures against blowouts. Moving forward, the portable Level 2 EV charger is an absolute must-have for electric and hybrid vehicle owners. With access to any standard 240V outlet, it provides a quick charge, eliminating range anxiety. Furthermore, there are MagSafe cooling mounts that feature a Peltier cooler, perfect for keeping your GPS functional during heat spikes. Finally, the augmented reality HUD shows real-time navigation details directly on the windshield, directing your focus to the road ahead, an essential safety feature in today's tech-savvy world. Next, we have the biometric fingerprint starters, an exciting addition that enhances vehicle security without compromising ease of access. This straightforward DIY kit allows you to upgrade any older car, replacing traditional ignition keys with your unique fingerprint, ensuring that only you can start the engine. It's a seamless blend of convenience and a high-tech security measure that anyone can install. Meanwhile, the 4-in-1 emergency jump pack stands out for its multifunctionality, offering a jump starter, air compressor, power bank, and a powerful 1,000-lumen work light. This compact device is a lifesaver for both everyday mishaps and emergencies on the road, providing essential support whenever it's needed. Adding to the impressive lineup, we have gesture control adapters, a game changer for music lovers. These clever gadgets enable drivers to manage audio and volume effortlessly with just a simple wave of the hand, eliminating the distraction of touching screens while driving. No more fumbling for buttons on the dashboard. Now, you can keep your eyes on the road while enjoying your favorite tunes. Finally, the game-changing OBD11 diagnostic tool brings unparalleled access to your vehicle's hidden data. This compact yet powerful device not only reads diagnostics but also clears codes instantly, making it an essential tech tool for any car enthusiast. Whether it's for minor troubleshooting or deep system insights, it empowers drivers to take charge of their vehicles. Which of these innovative gadgets will enhance your driving experience? Don't forget to subscribe to ObahMech-Autos for the latest in 2026 car technology.